Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade snow globe. So what you are going to need to make your snow globe is a jar. I'm using an old baby food jar, but you can use any kind of jar that you have and any size that you want. Just make sure it still has the lid and that it's clear. A strong glue. I'm using adhesive glue. I would recommend hot glue, but definitely not Elmer's school glue because that's not strong enough. Glitter, baby oil, and some little guys or whatever else you want to use to put into your snow globe. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your jar is cleaned out and take the label off of it. So once the label is off, you can take the lid off, and this is where you will glue whatever you want in your snow globe. So I have a dolphin and a stingray. Alright, so I glued my little guys down. This adhesive glue does take a long time to dry, so I'm going to set this aside. And I had previously glued a little dinosaur onto another lid, so this is the one that I'm going to use now because it is fully dry. If it's not dry, then your little guys will fall off and be floating around in your snow globe, which you don't really want that to happen. So the next step is to fill your jar with baby oil, which is kind of hard to open. There we go. So you want to use baby oil, or you can also use glycerin, but you don't want to use water. So I have my jar filled with baby oil, and then I am going to pour my glitter in. And you can pour in as much or as little glitter as you want, and it can be any color that you want. So I have my glitter in the baby oil. The last thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the lid on the jar. If you have a hot glue gun, you can glue the lid onto the jar to make sure that nothing spills out. Otherwise, just make sure you have it on really tight. Okay. And then you will have your snow globe. See my little dinosaur? You can shake it up and see all the glitter floating around. I tried making these with water, and what happened is the glitter just stuck to the sides of the jar. And I also tried using a mixture of water and baby oil, and the same thing happened. So I would recommend using using no water and all baby oil or all glycerin. But these are really easy to make, and they make really nice decorations or birthday or holiday gifts. And most of the materials you will probably already have in your house. So if you guys enjoyed making a snow globe, please put a picture in the comments or tell me what kind of snow globe you made, because I would love to see it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.